Dow average gains. Nvidia loses Intel as one chipmaker replaces another. Nvidia's entry into the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of the semiconductor industry. This shakeup, which sees Nvidia replacing Intel, reflects broader changes in the market and underscores the shifting dynamics of technology and finance. Here's an in-depth look at what this change means and why it matters. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, a historical perspective. The DJIA, established in 1896, is one of the most widely recognized stock market indices. It represents 30 large, publicly owned companies based in the United States and serves as a barometer for the overall health of the US economy. Over the years, the composition of the Dow has evolved to reflect the changing landscape of American industry and innovation. The decision to include Nvidia and drop Intel is significant. Intel, a semiconductor giant, has been a part of the Dow for many years. Its removal signals a recognition of the changing dynamics within the tech sector, particularly the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and its increasing importance in driving technological advancement and economic growth. Nvidia, the AI powerhouse. Nvidia's rise to prominence can be attributed to its pioneering work in graphics processing units, GPUs. Originally designed for gaming, Nvidia's GPUs have found broader applications in AI, data centers, and scientific research. The company's focus on innovation and its ability to capitalize on emerging trends have propelled it to the forefront of the tech industry. In recent years, Nvidia has become synonymous with AI. Its GPUs are the backbone of many AI applications, from machine learning to autonomous vehicles. The company's investments in AI research and development have paid off, positioning it as a leader in this high-growth area. Nvidia's stock has surged by over 170% this year, reflecting investor confidence in its future prospects. Intel. Challenges and opportunities. Intel, once the undisputed leader in the semiconductor industry, has faced significant challenges in recent years. The company has struggled with delays in product launches, increased competition, and strategic missteps. These issues have eroded investor confidence and led to a decline in Intel's stock value. Despite these challenges, Intel remains a formidable player in the semiconductor industry. The company is investing heavily in new technologies and manufacturing capabilities to regain its competitive edge. Intel's recent focus on expanding its foundry business and developing advanced process technologies reflects its commitment to innovation and long-term growth. Market dynamics. The rise of AI and GPUs. The semiconductor industry is at a critical juncture, driven by the rapid adoption of AI and other advanced technologies. GPUs, which were once niche products for gaming enthusiasts, have become essential components for AI and data center applications. Nvidia's success in this space highlights the growing importance of specialized chips that can handle the complex computations required for AI workloads. The rise of AI has also reshaped the competitive landscape. Companies that can deliver high-performance, energy-efficient chips for AI applications are well-positioned to capture significant market share. Nvidia's leadership in this area has allowed it to outpace rivals like Intel, which has traditionally focused on central processing units, CPUs. Economic implications. The inclusion of Nvidia in the DJIA has several economic implications. Investor sentiment. The Dow's composition influences investor sentiment and can impact the stock prices of the companies included. Nvidia's addition to the Dow may attract more institutional investors and funds that track the index, potentially boosting the company's stock further. Market representation. The Dow aims to represent the overall market and economy. By adding Nvidia, the index better reflects the importance of AI and advanced semiconductors in driving economic growth and innovation. Tech sector evolution. The change highlights the evolving nature of the tech sector. Companies that can innovate and adapt to emerging trends, like Nvidia, are likely to outperform those that struggle to keep pace. Strategic moves and future prospects. Nvidia's strategic moves have positioned it well for continued success. AI and data centers. Nvidia's GPUs are critical for AI and data center applications, both of which are experiencing explosive growth. The company's investments in AI research and development have paid off, enabling it to deliver cutting-edge solutions for a range of industries. Partnerships and acquisitions. Nvidia has strategically pursued partnerships and acquisitions to expand its capabilities and market reach. The acquisition of Mellanox Technologies, for example, strengthened Nvidia's position in the data center market. Vision for the future. Nvidia's vision extends beyond traditional computing. The company's focus on autonomous vehicles, robotics, and edge computing highlights its ambition to be at the forefront of technological innovation across various domains. Intel's response. Intel is not standing still. The company is making significant investments to reclaim its leadership position. Manufacturing expansion. Intel is expanding its manufacturing capabilities to produce advanced chips. The company's investment in new fabs and process technologies aims to address the delays and production challenges it has faced. Strategic initiatives. Intel's focus on developing advanced process technologies and expanding its foundry business reflects its commitment to innovation. These initiatives are designed to position Intel as a key player in the semiconductor industry for years to come. Long-term vision. Intel's recent leadership changes and strategic pivots indicate a renewed focus on long-term growth. The company is prioritizing areas like AI, 5G, and quantum computing to drive future innovation and market expansion. The broader impact on the semiconductor industry. The inclusion of Nvidia in the DJIA and the removal of Intel is indicative of broader trends in the semiconductor industry. Shift to specialized chips. The growing demand for specialized chips, such as GPUs for AI applications, is reshaping the industry. Companies that can deliver high-performance, energy-efficient chips for specific use cases are well-positioned to succeed. Increased competition. The semiconductor industry is becoming more competitive, with new entrants and established players vying for market share. Innovation and agility are key to staying ahead in this rapidly evolving landscape. Technological advancements. Advances in AI, machine learning, and data processing are driving the need for more powerful and efficient semiconductors. Companies that can stay at the cutting edge of these technologies will play a crucial role in shaping the future of the industry. Conclusion: a new era for the Dow and the semiconductor industry. The addition of Nvidia to the DJIA and the removal of Intel marks a new era for both the index and the semiconductor industry. Nvidia's rise reflects its success in capitalizing on emerging trends and technologies, while Intel's struggles highlight the challenges of maintaining leadership in a rapidly evolving market. For investors, this change underscores the importance of staying attuned to market dynamics and the potential for significant shifts in industry leadership. Nvidia's inclusion in the Dow serves as a reminder that innovation, strategic vision, and adaptability are critical for success in the tech sector. As the semiconductor industry continues to evolve, companies like Nvidia that can anticipate and adapt to new opportunities will be well-positioned to drive growth and shape the future of technology. The Dow's recognition of Nvidia's achievements marks the beginning of a new chapter, both for the company and the broader market. In summary, the decision to replace Intel with Nvidia in the Dow Jones Industrial Average is a reflection of the shifting dynamics within the semiconductor industry. Nvidia's success in AI and GPUs has propelled it to the forefront of the tech sector, while Intel's challenges underscore the need for continuous innovation and strategic foresight. This change is not just a symbolic gesture, but a recognition of the critical role that AI and advanced semiconductors play in shaping the future of technology and the economy.